Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can go live with OBS Studio. So first of all, if you would like to go Facebook Live with this OBS Studio, what you have to do is get logged into your Facebook account, then select what's on your mind and select this three-dot icon. Select live video. Now from here, if you scroll below, it says go live. So let's go ahead and select set up live video. Likewise, it will ask you to choose a source from your streaming platform, which is OBS. So all you have to do is wait for this to load or select go live right here. Scroll below. Under streaming software, you will be provided a key right here under stream key. Go ahead and copy the key. Once you have copied the key, launch your OBS Studio and make sure that display capture is already enabled. If not, you can also select this plus button and add a display capture just by selecting display capture from here. Now once you have set up this screen, select settings. From here, select stream. Under service, select Facebook Live, and under the stream key, simply paste the key that you just copied. Once done, select this apply button, and as you do that, all you have to do is simply launch your Facebook again, start going live, and the screen will be visible here. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.